And that's the second infinite loop. Well, this is weird. It's me. I'm gonna be coding, well, pathfinding algorithm in OutSystems. I'm gonna be vlogging it, which is gonna be weird. My face is gonna be on the screen, on the internet. Let's see how it goes, right? So the idea is actually quite simple. We're gonna create a raster in OutSystems. We're gonna say, I wanna start somewhere. For example, whoa, it's kind of hard. I wanna start at the X. I wanna go to like the check mark. So you say start point, end point. And then you can add some squiggly lines, which say you cannot go through this path. That's where the fun is gonna begin. Otherwise, it's gonna be easy. We just go either route. It would, I think it's the same always. Actually, I'm not sure because I never had algorithms like this at school. So it's gonna be new from the start. Never did statistics. So we want this in the fastest way possible. From what I've seen, like in the past and heard, never used, never really looked at the formulas. We're gonna use either Dijkstra, I think it is, Dijkstra, yeah. Even the name is quite hard already for me to pronounce. So that's gonna be fun. And the other one might be a star algorithm. So yeah, we're gonna look into those. I've never had statistics, like I said, so I'm gonna be, well, probably gonna need that. That's my guess. And building that in OutSystems also is gonna be quite interesting. So that's, well, gonna be a double challenge. And then the UX UI might actually also be interesting. I think we can just use something like a list item. I think in OutSystems there's a lot available, but this is a special use case I wanted to scale, and I want the user also to say, hey, I want to have this kind of raster, and then give them the opportunity to actually create that. That's my cat, also not happy. You probably heard it. That might happen a lot more. I think it should create the numbers now. It's not going to create a raster because I need to take that in account with the CSS, I think, for the list item. I have no idea how to do that as well. I'm way over in my head. This is programming 101 and I'm just struggling already live. Okay, let's see what gets created. Either I get an infinite loop for some odd reason, or I have nothing. Oh, I need to see. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, this red is so bright. This is way too bright for my eyes. Please log in, please. Oh no. It's burning into my OLED. I guarantee. Why is it so red? Okay, it's taking forever. That's not a good sign, right? Why is it taking forever? I need to double check. Please don't say I actually did something stupid. If the loop index is bigger than that. Oh my god, no, I know. Oh no. Oh no, it's an infinite loop. It's an infinite loop. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh my god, I forgot one crucial item, which is of course the loop index needs to be, well, it needs to go up. I'm so stupid. Well, that's the first infinite loop we already created for no specific reason, just because I'm, well, not awake. But it isn't. So let's see. I think it now should just log in. Yeah, okay, that's the way to go. So the idea is we have 16. So we now should go to 16 comes. Let's go. It's correct, right? 0, 1. Okay, it's actually correct. It's creating all the items, I think, and it should end on 1616, right? It's not. What is this? Is this like a limitation or something? Or 115? Oh, but I know why. Yeah. Well, no, I don't know why. This doesn't make sense. Why does it stop at 15 exact? It starts at 0. That's the issue. It starts at 0, so that makes sense. it makes sense what it's doing. Yeah, it's already at 16 indeed, but so this makes sense. We already know that we're correct. We're actually incorrect because we're creating one more than we should. Well, no, actually these two should also not be created then, right? Because we start at 0, then this should end at 1515, right? Because then it is 1616. So it's still stopping way too early, right? I really need to create a raster because I cannot visualize this, but this is incorrect. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. And what is this? Okay, but there is something wrong on the percentage, but that's fine. But we go from 0 to 16 and then it goes. Why is it doing this? It's going, but it isn't going perfectly because there is already going something wrong, right? 0 to 16, and then this is probably where it goes wrong because we're going to 16. Yes. And that's the thing, we shouldn't go to 16, we should go to 15 because 15 is 16. That's where it's already going wrong. That's already, yeah. Actually, I think there might actually be a better way, no? Don't you have like a gallery? That's only for pictures, no? Is that for pictures or can I just... Can I abuse this one? I don't want to do this. What, it's already gonna do it for me then, right? Oh, no, this is stupid. This is stupid. If this works, it's... No, I'm not laughing. Then I'm not... No. Source. Raster. Right? Just... God damn it. This got to be kidding me. Come on, man. Okay, but at least... Okay, at least we got it now. This is fine. Now I wonder, can I... Let's say... Do I want to get a button or what do I want to make from it? Okay, and then it should be fine. Then we're gonna call it a day. I created a raster. I need some slight light entertainment before I go to sleep. Otherwise, I'll be dreaming in numbers. What do the numbers mean, Mason? Oh my god, look at that. So it's 16 by 16. It's a bit confusing now because we need the calculation, but let's see. Ooh. It should actually do that. Oh yeah, it's instantly doing that because it's on the... Wait. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Why is it not... But here it is going further. Does it? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I just keep adding everything. That's again so stupid. Now we just need to do this and then a list. Can we say something like list clear? Yes, sorry, raster, easy peasy. That should do the trick, right? It should just clean it and then we keep it. Yeah, I just kept appending to it. Actually, I think I might keep the we'll see. The numbers to change it later might be easier. Okay, but 16 by 16, that's fine. Then it's already gonna change this. Create raster. 32, 0, 32, yeah, 2, and this should be 32, 32. Well, actually, that works kind of well. Only this is a bit weird, but I think we shouldn't really pay too much attention to that. Girl, you're testing me. Why? Why? With this is even worse. What is this? How hard can it be to create a simple raster with a button? No, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, no, she's getting annoyed. So am I, girl. I also want to go to sleep. How can we do this raster? Look at that. Look, look, look. Explain to me, how am I gonna do this? Why is there this weird spacing? Who said, hey, you can have this spacing in here? I didn't. No, I didn't, Babbitt. You did. No, okay, the height doesn't matter. So it's... And if I enclose it in a container, it's fine. No, no way. No way. This actually might be it. You solved it, girl. Well done. You solved it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Such a celebrity. I'm not happy with the fact that it's either my eyes are dancing or these are not the same width and height at all. This is... I want to go to sleep, but this is annoying me. Let me check. Come on, man. 34, 50, 34, 50, 34. No, my eyes are dancing. They're all the same. They're all the same. Okay. Okay, that doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so it seems. Fine. I've had enough. See ya. See ya, OutSystems.